What if I told you that every night your brain performs a specialized deep clean that no supplement or caffeine hit can replicate? We often treat sleep as a luxury we can afford to lose, but it is actually the most sophisticated recovery system on the planet. Today, we aren't just talking about getting more hours in bed. We are unlocking the science of how to finally wake up feeling like yourself again. Finding a sense of calm before bed doesn't require hours of practice. This guided meditation is designed to help you decompress, release the day's tension, and prepare your mind for deep, restorative rest. Please find a comfortable position, either sitting up in bed or lying down flat on your back. Let your hands rest loosely by your sides or on your stomach. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4, feeling your abdomen rise. Hold for 2 seconds and then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. If you have high blood pressure, you need not hold your breath. You can inhale and exhale for 4 to 6 counts, whichever you feel comfortable. With every exhale, imagine your body becoming heavier, sinking deeper into the mattress. Let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring your awareness to your feet. If you feel any lingering tightness, consciously let it go. Move that awareness up through your calves, knees, and thighs. Soften the muscles in your hips. Feel your spine neutral and relaxed. Drop your shoulders away from your ears. Unclench your jaw. Soften the muscles around your eyes. Let your tongue rest away from the roof of your mouth. Your body is now a vessel for stillness. Imagine your mind is like a quiet theater. The thoughts of today, tasks completed, conversations had, or worries for tomorrow are just images on a screen. Acknowledge them, then imagine a fade to black transition. You are not turning off your brain. You are simply closing the files for the night. They will be there tomorrow if you need them. But for now, the theater is empty and quiet. Now visualize a warm, soft light beginning at the top of your head and slowly washing down to your toes. This light represents peace. It passes over you. It acts like a weighted blanket, grounding you in the present moment. Silently repeat this mantra to yourself, timed with your natural breathing. Inhale, I am at peace. Exhale, I let go. Inhale, I am at peace. Exhale, I let go. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Do not try to control it. Simply observe the cool air entering and the warm air leaving. If a thought enters, gently label it as thinking and return to the sensation of your breath. Feel the safety of your room and the comfort of your bed. When you are ready, drift naturally from this state of meditation into sleep.